Run something, man. Don't be scared. But I'm just gonna freestyle something. Yo, I'm so hood with it, yeah, I gotta keep it streets. 40 counts all in reach, the ladies niggas sleep. Downtown to the core, I ain't saying nothing more. All about my dollars on the paper chase, now fuck a whore. I'm getting my money advanced, these niggas out on that jerk shit. Skinny pants, bragging the van. I keep my fucking Timbo stuff quick, I'm a bitch. I'm a motherfucking soldier and I stay shit. I let a bitch, I'm on shots patrol. I'm in my zone trying to get it on. Now I'm too hood, I'm in the hood with my collars up, dollars up. Bitch niggas coming to the kid, they get swallowed up. I mean hollowed up. I'm on that hood shit, and I be on the block like, what's good, bitch? I'm from the motherfucking streets, keep my heat, and I swear to God, I'll play.
Look, like this, look. Shit spitting ain't right, it just don't sit with me. To be perfectly honest, ain't nobody that could get with me. Not on my page, you better off sticking to your calligraphy. Write it all down on paper, then burn it up cause it's history. Mystery, it's writer's block, you haven't seen the gist of me. I'm barely getting started, my pencil just started penciling. Moved on from the battling stage, now I'm getting paid. I'm a hustler to the day that I'm laying up in the grave. I found my balance, hands accountants got so much to say. I found my palace men are from the kings. But anywho, I leave your face red and your lips blue, yellow rigor mortis sitting and looking like Pikachu. Picture you better than me, they call you Mr. Who, and this ain't the Grinch's or Christmas, nigga.
That's how we do it around here, Most Wanted Tattoo, baby. That's how we do it. That's a tattoo artist right there flowing. Well, let's go check it out. Those ain't the guys I'm trying to sign, you know. Let's see what we got going over here. What we got going over here? Uh-oh. Let's see. That's absolutely sexy. You got a sexy mom, huh? Let's go check it out.
You already know what it do. Yeah, get them up. Whoo! Got them niggas fool. Reach for the roof. Need a different look. That shot pulled it out. Need some crook. Yeah, and don't push him. You will see the boy took him from the land where he stand, cause the pistol was in the hand and the pistol would never jam. But you looking for a clue like Sam I am, but no Sam here. Just click clack blam blam here. Beating on my chest, bam bam here. I ain't me and the ghost Casper, I disappear. Hey, all in your bitch ear. Take it from the roof for the chandelier. Then down back to my palace on a magic carpet, but I'm not Aladdin. You just a rabbit, so hot dog or get hot dog. Look in my eyes, guarantee you see guap dog. Nigga, what it is, young? Get him up the kid and the kid with the biz. Thing on my hip, probably that 4/5. And if you talk this shit, best believe you throw split. And 2 different ways, 2 different hoes, 2 kind of pays, 1 kind of way. And you know how it go. Best believe the bitch gon' hold. Yep, the bitch gon' go. Say my bitch gon' hold. I'll slap you in your mouth. Dogging nigga out. North side boy and I always been a rider. Told my niggas I got you, nigga, just holler. Badass bitch and she always swallow. You say tomato, I say tomato. Bitch, I got her. And you mad cause you wish you could cop her. But if you got that price and it priced just right, she don't bite. You know what I mean? And he's so right. I get paper like the Amigo type pesos. Better lay low and let go my ego. You niggas know how I do it. Niggas don't need to prove it. But if you trying to prove it, better move it before you lose it. Beat him up till he got bruises. Told you, boy, I'm really clueless. And do you got a clue? Who is you? Motherfuckers get done. Where is you? 1, 2. Hey. Fuck. Fuck. You niggas know what it is. Why business and my niggas really with the business. Give thanks, no pilgrims, and we really finished. Split him if he want it, he can get it. Ha, 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 ha. Niggas coming for your throat, make your fucking bitch drop. Hey, and it's all in her motherfucking jaws. If a nigga get a problem, come get it solved. You know what I mean? If it ain't money, we don't get involved. And you can see the cut. Raw. Fuck. You know what I mean? I'm over.
That's how we do it. Young, get them up. That's how we do it. What we got going on right here? This is the young cat you were telling me about?
Yeah, this is it, man. Young, get them up, man. This is the one, you know what I mean? Boy, got fired, man. New face, the most wanted, you know what I mean? Real deal.
That's all we do. Most Wanted Tattoo. I'm out.
Baby.